increase of the cruise line business coming in and out of the park, and out of the Charleston area. To give you an idea of what the future looks like, Smith tracks the pipeline as well. You can see there's different areas of the pipeline, what's in construction, what's in the final planning stages, the planning stages, and the pre-planning stages. Right now, there's 129 rooms under construction over on Savannah Highway. There's 158 rooms in final planning in Mount Pleasant and Somerville, and another 2,073 in the planning stages somewhere. Now, how does that compare? In August, that's 2,800 rooms. In August of 2007, we had 2,000 rooms in the pipeline that were built. You can see the pipeline is determined not only by Smith, but verified by local hotel developers. A lot of these just probably aren't going to happen. They've got either land sought, purchased, they've talked to hotel companies to get franchises, but the lending part of the equation is what's delaying a lot of this. Our industry was very strongly pushing the small business bill that President Obama signed a couple of weeks ago that changes the SBA loan ratios. That should help us. Most hotels in South Carolina, we only have one chain-owned and operated hotel in this state, and that's the Westin on Hilton Head Island. Every other hotel in South Carolina is a franchised operation. A lot of them are small business people that basically own 5 to 10 hotels. So the SBA loans can play a big factor. Fortunately, the travel bug is hitting America, not only for the individual travelers, but also business finally getting back to face-to-face meetings. Charleston stands to gain on many fronts. The things that are really great as far as looking at the future here, September was one of the best months we've had. For the month, the occupancy was up 11.3% over last year. Average daily rate was up 22.9%. RevPAR was up 14.6%. It's up strongly, travel in general. Boeing is bringing a different type of visitor to the market with construction workers, suppliers, and other offshoot businesses coming to town to see what Charleston has to offer. Individual travel is up here with the cruise ships, along with our strong regular visitors. Group meetings and conventions are finally beginning to make a comeback. Charleston's always had a great meeting market. I'm hosting 2 national meetings here, one in November and one in December. And what makes Charleston difficult, it's got a great reputation across the country, one of the best recognized cities as far as travelers and primarily individual travelers. But what makes it tough to get meetings here is airlines. Most big national conventions look at a destination like Charleston, they want to have direct flights. If they don't have a direct flight, the town itself can overcome that, but then they got to look at the airline rates. With the addition of Southwest in the spring, that's going to be huge. This afternoon, Southwest is announcing their rates. Helen Hill with the Charleston Convention Visitor Bureau has been very closely tied to Southwest coming in their announcement. About 2 months ago at a hotel meeting, she for the first time in her life, she's had to sign 2 non-disclosure agreements, one when Boeing announced and now with Southwest. She is so excited about where Southwest is flying out of Charleston, which leads the hotel industry to believe that one is the destination that we attract from first, but also that it'll be a huge improvement on the meeting and convention business. So the outlook for Charleston and the lodging industry is real strong. The restaurant side of things, we've done well. Downtown restaurants are well above, some of them are doing better than they did prior to 2008 because of the visitors to the market area in downtown. The suburban parts of town aren't quite as big, but they're still strong. 64% of restaurants are still independently owned and operated, and lending is making it tough for them. We've had a lot go out of business over the last couple of years. A lot of them are also to be positive in the coming months as well. I'll be glad to answer questions when we get into that section.